What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Lavish reporting to you live. Before we even get into this video today, first y'all need to like and subscribe, you dig, and also check out my description box. Click that link so y'all can purchase your own Faji Unlimited shirt. Y'all know we need to support these black businesses. Oh, so we're not getting into no hair business today. You see we got a nice little bun going on, you know what I'm saying? But we switching the topic. So it's now July 11th. Summer is flying for real. A lot of people are going to end up going to school within the next month or so.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
So this video is dedicated to my incoming freshmen. So stay tuned for Lavish Hands first year college tips.
Hey, put the place up. Put my face up.
The first thing we're going to get into is packing. We all know when you're packing up to go to college, especially if you're going out of state, you really just want to bring your whole life, but
if you don't get rid of this trash, I'm calling the sanitation police.
I'm not the sanitation police! You don't understand. These things aren't junk. They're my friends.
I didn't use half the stuff I brought. Like, it was just way too much. And even though I watched videos that told me not to do this, I still did it. But I'm gonna just hope that y'all watch this and y'all actually listen, because I'm just really stubborn. So rule number one, if you're close to home and you'll be back for Thanksgiving, you don't need to pack your winter clothes. For example, I'm from Maryland, but I go to school in New York. I didn't pack all my winter clothes because I knew that I would be back home, and that's when I packed all that stuff. Let me tell y'all how I packed an entire bin of school supplies. Like, it wasn't just half a bin, it wasn't a little section, it was a whole bin. You do not need that many school supplies. Like, I had markers, crayons, glue, crazy glue, about 5 things of paper, all these dividers, binders, notebooks. Like, all you literally are going to use is your laptop, a pencil, a pen, a stapler, occasionally. Like, you're gonna think you need all these things. I promise you, you don't. Like, it's just gonna be a burden in the long run. When you're packing, it's definitely gonna be hard trying to figure out what to bring, what to leave at home, but just keep this rule in mind. If you don't wear it at home, you ain't gonna wear it at school, okay? Don't be that one person that's like, oh, but maybe I'll need this, because that was me, and I just didn't need any of that. So I didn't have this problem because I was blessed with wonderful suite mates, but try not to rely on your suite mates or your roommates for toiletries. Bring your own toilet paper. Obviously bring your own, like, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, all that. Toilet paper was a big problem with a lot of my friends, trying to rely on other people to bring in and all that stuff. Just bring your own. And if you want to be petty, sis, take it off the roll each time. Like, just bring your own. Definitely pack shower slippers and purchase a shower caddy. It's just so much easier to carry your shower caddy in and out. So definitely purchase that. I got mine at Walmart for like $6 or so. So Walmart is definitely major key.
So let me give you a major key.
Walmart, Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. You don't need no IKEA, no Bed Bath & Beyond. You're gonna waste your money, sis. Go to the discount store. So I was really torn if I should purchase a printer or not, and my mom was like, girl, you crazy. But I was like, sis, like, what if I need it? But you most likely will not need a printer. Don't waste your money, don't waste your space. Your school usually gives you money to print at their local station, so just scratch the printer off your list. Definitely buy a good mattress pad. I got a mattress pad from IKEA that was like $30 and it did nothing. Your bed is going to be very uncomfortable, so purchase a good mattress pad. So moving on from packing, these are just going to be general school involvement tips. This is my biggest pet peeve. Please do not be the kid in class that makes unnecessary and annoying conversation and kisses up to the professor.
Turner! Why can't you be more like AJ here? He never draws pictures and his pencils don't float. He's my bestest student. That's best student, Mr. Crocker. See how smart he is? Don't cross me in public again. I clone you an apple. See? He's amazing!
All you do is irritate everybody else in the class. If you want to kiss up to the professor, do it on your own time. We all in there trying to get out, trying to get through the lecture, so please. definitely get involved. A lot of people that I talk to that hate their school is probably because they sit in their dorm and they don't go to any activities, they don't talk to people, they don't do anything. They go to class and go to their dorm. So obviously you're not going to like your school if you're not getting to know it. Your school probably has 1,000 clubs. If you want a tree going club, sis, they probably got it. So just go look. Every freshman is new there. Talk to people, make friends, don't be shy. Everyone is looking for people to talk to, looking for people to connect with. So just make simple conversations so that you're not in the second month of school and all you do is say hi and bye to people. Even if you didn't use a planner in high school, definitely purchase one in college. High school teachers love to say how hard college is and how the professors are not going to care and they're not going to baby you, but they don't stress anything about time management and organization, and that was one of the things that I struggled with. So using a planner really helps. It keeps you organized. You might think that you can remember everything, but everything just falls on top of each other and you just have to learn to write it down. You got to befriend at least one person in every class, because the day that you're absent or the day that you were doing BuzzFeed quizzes on your laptop, you're gonna need those notes one day. And you gotta be a little close to at least somebody in class so they can help you out, get their number, make a study group, something. Most of the time, you're probably not going to be able to pick your classes going into your first semester, but tips for the second semester, morning classes are the move. Like, I'm not talking about like 7 a.m.s, 8 a.m.s. 9 a.m. is even pushing it, but like that's still getting to the humble side. But definitely 10, 11, 12, those are humble time. Some people do prefer night classes, and that's cool, I guess, but like when it's a basketball game and you stuck in class and everybody else is out having fun, you're gonna be mad. So keep that in mind. Honey, it is okay if you don't know what you want to do. You're a freshman in college. You don't need to have your entire life planned out. So no matter what anybody tells you, you good. You're gonna be good. Like, just take classes, figure out areas that you like, and then narrow it down based on how you like the classes. So for instance, I'm in communications and I'm gonna take things like television, journalism, marketing, radio, just so I can see how the classes go and figure out what I like and what I don't like. I hope Lavish Hands' words of wisdom help y'all out. I wish y'all the best of luck. Have a lit school year, but not too lit because you need to focus on your books, okay? If you're going to St. John's, hit me up. But in general, if you have any questions, if anybody has additional tips, slide them Jones in the comments. Don't forget to purchase your Faji shirt, getting lit like us.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is